Are you already sensing that your special someone is just a step away from opening their heart? Is something telling you that a big revelation is about to happen? Then get ready, because your angel has a powerful message for you. That person who stirs your thoughts and feelings is about to express everything they feel. Yes, that's right, they are preparing to finally tell you how important you are. You are on the verge of a change that will transform your life and bring happiness in ways you never imagined. Want to know how? Stay with me until the end and discover how this declaration is going to happen. That special person on your mind is going to tell you they love you. It's so close. Really so close to happening. Wherever they go, they remember you and are always keeping an eye on what you're doing. Whether it's on social media, following what you post, trying to learn more about you, or even through a simple message, they have a habit of following you closely. They think of you often and feel that no one else in the world could replace what you mean to them. This becomes evident when that person is watching a movie, flipping through a magazine, or walking down the street. These are moments when everything around seems to reference you. Imagine someone who, when savoring a meal, the taste makes them think of you, as if you were sharing that moment together. Or seeing someone on the street and upon noticing the hair color, immediately thinking of you. These associations happen frequently and aren't something they actively seek out. They simply arise in their mind, reinforcing how special you are. Songs they often listen to make them remember you, and certain lyrics touch their heart in a way that connects them even more to you. The songs become the soundtrack to the feelings they nurture. It's as if the universe conspires to keep you always present in their thoughts and feelings. Often, this person feels a deep and true love for you, something that transcends logical explanation and manifests in small memories and big emotions. This person may already be in your life, or perhaps they are a secret admirer, someone watching from afar and harboring a deep desire to win your love. They dream of holding you so tightly that these thoughts keep them awake at night. Yes, this person thinks of you, and they are really someone you would find attractive. It's not a strange or uncomfortable feeling, like, I'm not sure I'd like you. No, you really would like this person, and yes, you would even find them physically attractive, which makes it all the more special. The burning energy is definitely present. The mutual attraction is there as well. There is imminent progress, as this person is about to express their feelings for you. They are holding back a bit right now because they have financial issues to resolve. They're trying to organize their finances as much as possible, balancing their finances, which are also directly tied to their emotions. When they feel financially unbalanced, this person becomes emotionally unstable and a bit out of control. So their big goal at the moment is to stabilize their finances, which makes a lot of sense, as it ties everything together. So yes, they have some work to do in that area, but as soon as they achieve stability, they'll come to you, and things will progress naturally and harmoniously. This person really likes you truly. When they think of someone to share life with, you are everything they've ever dreamed of. You are the dream they've always had in their heart. They want to build a beautiful life, full of love and happy moments by your side. They want you by their side, sharing moments, dreams, and achievements. They want this with all their heart. The truth is, when this person finally comes to you and expresses their feelings, they will mention specific details about what you posted or commented on, things they wouldn't know unless they were really paying attention to you. They will talk about certain moments or places you may have shared on social media, and you'll wonder, how did they know that? There's no way they could know those details if they weren't really watching you closely, if they weren't following your posts or getting that information from somewhere. This person is keeping an eye on you. They are attentive, following your moves, your words, your feelings. They really care. They really like you. This person knows very well that you are the right person, and this certainty puts enormous pressure on them. They feel the need to get it together, to say and do the right things. This pressure is palpable, almost tangible. Additionally, you meet all the criteria of what an ideal person would be for them. You present yourself as someone very balanced, which makes you incredibly attractive. The physical attraction they feel for you is deeply rooted in who you are on the inside. Your entire personality, which in their eyes is perfect, makes your physical form seem perfect as well. To this person, you are the complete package. They see in you a rare combination of qualities that make them feel safe and appreciated. You are not only someone they can trust, but also someone who inspires them to be the best version of themselves. This feeling is something they deeply value, and that's why the pressure to live up to your expectations is so intense. They want to ensure that every word, every gesture, is up to par with what you represent to them. Your emotional balance, your ability to handle difficult situations with calm and wisdom, makes you stand out even more. The way you approach life, with optimism and resilience, is something they immensely admire. You have a unique way of bringing light to the darkest days, of finding solutions when everything seems lost, and that makes them want to be by your side always. The attraction they feel goes far beyond the physical. It's a connection based on mutual respect, admiration, and affection. Every detail of your personality charms them, from your kindness to your determination. They see in you a potential partner, someone with whom they can build a solid and happy future. To them, you are the definition of an ideal companion. They know they need to live up to everything you represent, which drives them to work even harder to meet your expectations. With every moment, they want to be on your level, to demonstrate how much they value and admire you. This creates a dynamic where every interaction is filled with meaning and emotion, making the connection between you even stronger and deeper. This person deeply values your presence in their life. They see in you not just a partner but a true life companion. Someone they can count on in any situation, someone who makes them feel safe and loved. Your presence brings a feeling of peace and happiness, something they've never found in anyone else. And that's why they feel so pressured to do everything right, because to them, you are simply irreplaceable. At this moment, this person is going through a true whirlwind of emotions. On one hand, there is the deep desire to live a stable and satisfying love life. On the other hand, the urgency to prepare financially for the future. Each thought is a constant reminder: I found someone amazing, and I want to impress them. I need to be financially stable, I need to be kind, I need to stand out. This mantra motivates them to focus on their finances, striving to be someone constant, balanced, and secure, someone who has everything under control. They feel the need to show their strength and organization. In their mind, this is essential. I need to get financially organized so they can see that I can be stable. I can't be weak, I have to be strong as a lion. This is a responsibility they feel they must assume, a challenge to be overcome so they can feel proud and not ashamed for not being financially prepared. Even though they are in love, they know that everyday problems don't disappear. And by focusing on their finances, they deal with this. This doesn't mean they've forgotten about you. In fact, they are working hard to prepare and be up to what they believe you deserve. They are seeking a balance between feelings and responsibilities, trying to ensure that when you're together, they can offer the best version of themselves. They want you to see in them a reliable person, strong and capable of facing any challenge by your side. This focus on finances is an expression of the love and respect they feel for you. They want to be ready to build a solid and happy future with you, and for that, they believe they need to be financially stable. So if sometimes they seem distant or focused on other things, understand that it's an effort to ensure that when they are with you, they can be fully present, without worries or insecurities. They want you to be proud of them, just as they are of you, and are willing to do whatever it takes to achieve that stability. While they dedicate themselves to this, know that the affection and love they feel for you remain strong and present. They are just strengthening themselves so that when you are together, everything is truly in place and they can be the partner you deserve. This is their journey now, working hard, strengthening themselves, and preparing. They are dedicating their time and energy to becoming someone you can count on, someone who can face life's challenges with you, head held high. And this dedication, this desire to improve, is the greatest sign of how much they care and want to be by your side, ready to build a future together. In the end, they want you to see all the effort they're making, not as distancing, but as preparation for a better future for both of you. They want to be the person who can face anything by your side, without fear, without hesitation, just with the certainty that together you are stronger. And every step they take on this path is driven by the desire to be ready, to be the partner you deserve, and to build a full and happy life with you. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. Type, I receive and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.